Hi everyone, strong to severe weather is still unfortunately pretty likely through the afternoon. If you live in the yellow highlighted zones, which include pretty much all of the Front Range, we're talking Pueblo up through El Paso County, north to Denver, Castle Rock, Fort Collins, and some of the plains, these strong to severe storms are most likely in the yellow highlighted zones. So the threats that we're still looking at, overwhelmingly really big storms that are slow moving. This could mean flooding, because the heavy rain with slow moving storms would dump rain and a lot of it as it moves over a slow area. Hail is unfortunately possible today, 1 to 2 inches in size, so be thinking quarters to golf balls, and we could have some pretty strong wind out of a few storms. Luckily, the tornado threat is pretty low today. So we've got a model simulation to show you. It's not going to be perfect, but we do like what we're seeing here. The idea is that between about 1:30 to 2 and then 3 o'clock, storms will just be kind of spitting over the mountains, but not a whole lot of big stuff will actually be going on. Now, as we get to 3 to 3:30, between 3 to 4, big storms, possibly very strong if not severe, firing from northern Teller County out to northern El Paso County. So think Teller County, Woodland Park, through Ute Pass, think through Cascade into Manitou, but also possibly up in and around the Tri-Lakes Monument. And these storms could be very strong at first. Also a little development in Fremont County, so hopefully Canyon City we get some rain, but nothing severe. By 4 to 5, storms are rocking through almost all of Colorado Springs, really throwing some heavy rain out along Highway 24, but essentially between 3:30 to 5 o'clock, all of Colorado Springs and the surrounding towns in El Paso County have a chance for flooding, heavy rain, and yes, unfortunately, 1 to 2 inch size hail. My hope is that the ingredients are just lacking enough that we miss the hail, but it is a threat. There are the ingredients there. We will move storms south and east, so this should bring at least some sort of shower and thunderstorm right towards Pueblo. I would say between 5 to 6, maybe 6:30 if things are delayed, but in between Colorado Springs and Pueblo, there is a chance of hail on I-25. In Pueblo, while yes, there is a chance of flooding and hail, El Paso County is a little bit more of a risk. Storms will move east. They could still be strong. You see a very pronounced cell right there on the model loop, which tells us the model thinks, yes, sporadic, strong, maybe severe storms are possible in and around Pueblo. And then between about 8, 9 o'clock, we're going to move the rest of these storms out towards La Junta, but it'll lose steam. So severe threats go down, not all the way, but down as storms move farther east and we get past 8 o'clock. Be safe. We will have updates through the afternoon. Remember, flooding and heavy rain is the most likely outcome from storms today, but we do think hail is a possibility.